Hey guys, and in today's video we are going to develop a simple weather app. Now to do that I am going to start off by drawing a rounded rectangle. So I'm just going to draw roughly here on the screen in kind of a squarish shape. Having done that, the next thing I want to do is develop the clouds, because it's a weather app, so I want to do that by developing the clouds and a sun that's peeking from behind the clouds. To form the cloud shape, I have taken the simple ellipse tool, turned it white. Now I want to develop more clouds. I could have done by choosing smaller ellipses and making it in a cloudy shape, but I did a rather simple thing. All I did is that I've taken the rectangle tool and I have drawn it from the center of the circle towards the bottom half, and now I'm going to round off the corners of this rectangle. Once I round it off, I immediately notice that the bottom gets exposed. To adjust that, I have moved the rectangle inner, and I'm gonna make a little bit more tweaks. It looks kind of fine, but it looks too rounded on the ellipse part, so I'm gonna stretch it and make it bigger so that together they look like a bunch of clouds together. Now to make it a single piece, I'll combine them using the shape builder tool. Once I have done that, now I can focus on developing the sun. For that, obviously I'll take an ellipse and then go into the colors and choose a nice bright nice and bright yellow color here. I think it's fine, so I'm gonna push it back by pressing Control left bracket. I'm gonna zoom it in, and as you can see, I'm trying to make adjustments here to give it the kind of shape I want to give it to the sun peeking from behind. This is something that's creative and up to the person who's developing. You can have all sorts of ways and taste to do that, but I'm happy with it, and I'm going to now work on finalizing the app. The basic structure is right in the place, so I'm going to work on the background. I've chosen a blue color, but I'm going to apply a gradient here. So first I'll just click on it and then redraw the gradient diagonally. Once I've done that, I'll go to the panel and take the white color first and turn it into a bluish sky blue color, kind of a dark shade, slightly dark, not too dark, and then take the other end and give it a lighter, brighter tint of blue, kind of a ferrozy. And having done that, I think the cloud, the sun, they looks kind of fine, and I think there it is, our weather app. It's done. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.